We had a competition and half of our class was chosen to do an Italian meal, and we had 2 class periods to complete it.
All the recipes were printed out, and then we just randomly grabbed one. Like we didn't choose or anything, it was just random.
Based off how easy or difficult it was, you would assign it to be either a single person or 2 people doing the job.
Everything has to be made from scratch in 2 class periods.
My job was making the pasta, and the pasta just was the base of some of the dishes, and so I made a big batch and it just went towards multiple dishes. You have flour, and then I had 6 eggs, and you add salt, and sometimes you can add olive oil, but mostly fresh pasta you don't add olive oil.
We were learning about time management and how each meal has to be made at different times so everything comes out at once.
But also being able to go around and help other people with this, because you need everything to be ready at the same time, and also knowing when to put the pasta in if you need it ready at the very end.
We had fettuccine alfredo, meatballs, eggplant rodellini, chicken parmesan.
The overall experience is just learning on the fly and being able to make something out of nothing.
It's fun because no one really knows how to prepare for it ahead of time, and you just have to learn by keeping the time and everything clean and just learn as you go.
I think this project is fun because it really gives us a chance to work as a group.
I think it's fun because we don't learn this in everyday life, and I think it's important to know how to cook and prepare a good meal.
I thought it was pretty good. We had 3 final dishes. My favorite was the meatballs.
And the kitchen had to be cleaned and scrubbed.